I wanted to make a video to show you how to make a balance due payment on a tax return. So first you're going to navigate to irs.gov, and from here you'll select Pay. On the next screen it will ask you if you want to pay from a bank account or from a debit card, credit card, or digital wallet. Just keep in mind that if you choose debit card, credit card, or digital wallet, there are additional fees that apply for processing. I'm going to go ahead and select Direct Pay with Bank Account. And then on this screen, it will ask you if you're making a personal tax payment or a business tax payment. I'll go ahead and select Pay Individual Tax. And then here under Pay Personal Taxes, I'll select Make a Payment. On this screen, under Reason for Payment, you're going to want to select Balance Due. And then Apply Payment To, you will select Income Tax Form 1040. And then you'll want to select the year that you're making the payment for. So you'll just choose whatever year you're making your payment for from the dropdown and go ahead and hit continue. Then it will pop up a confirmation box just to confirm the choices that you've made, and you can hit continue again. On this screen, it will ask you to verify your identity. You'll need to reference information used on one of your last 5 tax returns, 5 years of tax returns, to confirm the information. So assuming you've already filed your 2023 tax return, you can go ahead and select that year for verification. You'll want to select the filing status that was used on your 2023 return. So if you've had a change on your tax return status for 2024, just please make sure you're referencing however you filed in 2023 or whichever tax year you've chosen for verification. You'll want to enter your first and last name, confirm your last name, enter the social security number, and confirm that. Please keep in mind that you'll want to be making these payments under the name and social security number of the primary taxpayer on the tax return. So on the tax return, there's going to be someone listed as taxpayer, and if it is a jointly filed return, there will also be someone listed as spouse. These payments should be made in the name and social security number of the taxpayer, just to simplify the process with the IRS in making sure that your payment gets applied to the correct account. You'll also enter the date of birth of that person, and then the address. Once again, just as a reminder, making sure we're using the address that was entered on the tax return in reference. So if you've moved since then, just make sure you're using the address that was used on the tax return that we're referencing for verification. At the bottom, you'll go ahead and check the box that says I accept the Privacy Act and Paperwork Reduction Act, and go ahead and continue. On this screen, you'll enter your payment information. So in the first box, you'll enter your payment amount and then enter it again in the next box to confirm the dollar amount that you want to pay and select your payment date. Then you'll enter the routing and account number for the account that you want the payment to come from and re-enter the account number to confirm that. And then you'll select whether that is a checking or savings account. If you would like to receive an email confirmation, you can check this box and enter your email address here to get an email confirmation. Otherwise, you'll hit continue. On that next screen, you're going to get a summary of all of the information you just entered. The payment type, the payment amount, the bank information, the date. Assuming that's all correct, you'll go ahead and type your name on the next screen to electronically sign for authorization. And then hit continue. The screen after that should provide you with a confirmation showing your payment. You'll want to print that screen or save a copy of that screen and then upload that to your Listio account so that we have a record of that payment. Thanks.